Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed uniform strength today. The Nasdaq 100 rose 150.75 to 21,491. The technology sector gained 40.44 to 4,564, showing a very strong positive trend. Communication services maintained momentum for a second straight day. Market breadth was notably positive. The Nasdaq 100 saw 71% of components advance. The technology sector showed strong participation, with 422 advances versus 248 declines. Healthcare diverged with more decliners than advancers. Looking at returns, the technology sector led with a 0.89% daily gain. The Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite followed with gains of 0.7% and 0.67% respectively. Healthcare remained essentially flat. Among top tech performers, Micron Technology led with a 3.9% gain to 98.18. Arista Networks and Advanced Micro Devices followed with rises of 3.6% and 3.5% respectively. All showed strong positive trends. Year-to-date, Super Microcomputer leads with a 35% return. Micron Technology follows with nearly 17% gains. Arista Networks shows the weakest performance, down 19% year-to-date despite today's strength. Among declining tech stocks, First Solar fell 5.3% to 149.65. Leidos dropped 4.6% amid strong downward volatility. CDW and Dell Technologies both extended their losing streaks to 4 days. Year-to-date performance shows First Solar down 15%, the largest decline among this group. Adobe has fallen 9.3%, while Dell Technologies is down 6.2%, despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed broad strength today. QQQ and VanEck Semiconductor ETF both displayed very strong positive trends, with the semiconductor fund gaining 1.4%. The 3x bearish QQQ hit a new all-time lower close while showing 27 days of sideways movement. Weekly returns are showing momentum in the tech sector. 3x bullish QQQ leads with a 2.3% weekly gain, while VanEck Semiconductor ETF follows at 1.5%. Year-to-date, QQQ shows the strongest performance with a 2.3% return.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms leads with a 3.6% gain to 670.90, showing a very strong upward trend over 5 consecutive up days. Alphabet fell 1.4% to 170.37, marking its 4th straight down day despite a mixed positive trend. Year-to-date returns show mixed performance. Meta Platforms and Microsoft post gains of 14.6% and 9.6% respectively. Apple shows the largest decline at minus 19.5%, while Alphabet is down 10.5%. Leading semiconductor stocks showed strong gains today. SmartChem rose 8.3% to 1.43, despite a very strong negative trend. Navitas Semiconductor gained 8.2% to 5.52, maintaining a very strong positive trend. Year-to-date returns in semiconductors vary dramatically. Navitas Semiconductor leads with a 54.6% gain, while SmartChem has declined 50.7%. Peraso shows sideways movement lasting 143 days. Cloud computing stocks showed strength today. Zscaler jumped 6.3% to 293.18, hitting a new one-year high for the 2nd consecutive day. Cloudflare rose for a 5th straight day, gaining 2.2% to 169.70. Year-to-date performance in cloud computing is notable. Zscaler leads with a 62.5% gain, followed by Cloudflare at 57.6%. Cadence Design Systems shows slight decline at -2.6%. In AI and robotics, Symbiotic leads with a 2.3% gain to 29.34. Boeing rose 2% to 211.47, reaching a new one-year high. AeroVironment showed strong upward volatility, gaining 1.3%. Year-to-date returns in AI and robotics are mixed. Symbiotic leads with 23.7% gains, followed by Boeing at 19.5%. Oceaneering International shows the largest decline at -26%. In thematic ETFs focused on AI and robotics, SPEAR Alpha ETF leads with a 2% gain to 27.7. AI and Innovation Fund and AI and Technology both show very strong positive trends. Robotics and Nasdaq AI and Robotics display strong upward momentum while maintaining sideways movement. Year-to-date returns show AI and Technology leading with a 5.4% gain. Robotics follows with 4%. AI and Innovation Fund is up 1.6%, while SPEAR Alpha and Nasdaq AI and Robotics show slight declines. Electric vehicle stocks show mixed performance. BYD edges up slightly, while showing mixed negative trend. XPeng and NIO both closed down for 2 consecutive days. Tesla maintains a very strong positive trend despite dropping 1%. Lucid continues its decline. Year-to-date performance shows XPeng leading with a remarkable 63% gain, while BYD follows with 46% growth. Tesla, NIO, and Lucid all show negative returns for the year. Quantum computing stocks show strong momentum. D-Wave Quantum leads with a 4.7% gain, followed by Quantum Computing, up 4.1%. Rigetti Computing, Keysight Technologies, and IonQ all maintain positive trends. Year-to-date returns highlight D-Wave Quantum with an impressive 104% gain. Quantum Computing, Rigetti Computing, Keysight Technologies, and IonQ show modest declines for the period. In solar stocks, Tigo Energy leads with a 7.2% gain and strong positive trend. Ascent Solar Technologies rises 5.1% despite negative trend. Spruce Power Holding gains 2%. Sioux Nation Energy remains flat, while Enphase Energy shows weakness. Year-to-date performance shows Tigo Energy with modest 4.6% gains. Ascent Solar Technologies and Spruce Power holding both down over 30%. Sioux Nation Energy and Enphase Energy show significant declines of over 90% and 39% respectively. Technology thematic ETFs showed strong performance today. ETFMG Prime Cybersecurity ETF reached a new all-time high, closing at 83.18. Global X Cybersecurity ETF broke out of a 3-day consolidation pattern with a 1.6% gain. Semiconductor funds maintained their very strong upward trends. Looking at year-to-date returns, cybersecurity ETFs lead the group. ETFMG Prime Cybersecurity ETF shows an 11.7% gain, while Global X Cybersecurity ETF is up 10.6%. Notably, semiconductor ETFs have shown mixed performance, with some still in negative territory for the year.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.